I'm just going to eat lots of Filipino food today. The national sport of the Philippines, KUYA ELI'S cake. So I've been in Naga about 18 years ago. Kinalas, regular.
Yeah.
I've never had Kinalas before. This is Hunter from around the world on $80. And today I'm just walking around this area of Naga City called Dayangdang. And I'm just going to pop into whatever I find interesting. Which, to be honest, is probably mostly going to be food places, right? So basically what I'm saying is,
I'm a pig.
And I'm just going to eat lots of Filipino food today. And what's wrong with that? We're just going to wander up the street, see if I can find anywhere to eat. I mean, if there's a museum or something, I'll go in there. But I don't think so. I think there's going to be lots of yummy food and hopefully lots of yummy Filipino food. Some kids playing basketball. The national sport of the Philippines. Okay, here's a place. We can start here. KUYA ELI'S Cafe. KUYA ELI'S, maybe I'll do, what do they do? Beef, oh, cake. I love cake. Oh, I think a cake and coffee to start with. Let's give that a shot. Hey. Morning. Hi. Just after coffee.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, morning. Oh, is he going to bite me? I'm just after like a coffee or something.
Coffee, what would you like?
Yeah, do you do anything? Oh, filtered.
We do just only have a French press.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
fine.
Yeah, so like Americano French press or something like. Yeah, that sounds fantastic. Yeah.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Do you do cake?
At the moment, we ran out of cake, out of stock. Okay, so where are you from?
Australia.
Where about in Australia?
Ah, Sydney. So I've been in Naga about 18 years ago. It's changed quite a lot in 18 years. So there's SM Mall now and Starbucks, so it's all very new now, yeah. So it's good to see the progression. Okay, I need my coffee to wake up for the day. No cake, but that's okay. I was hoping for some ubi cake. Coffee's fine as well. You smell that? Oh yeah, that's what I need. Wake up. Dayangdang seems a nice area. It seems, I don't know, cleaner, I guess, than other areas. And there's no street dogs here, not so far anyway, that have hassled me. It's nice, and I like just wandering around here. So that's why I thought, come out here and find some different foods. There's a couple of restaurants I'm really excited about. I hope we get to check those out today. This coffee's good, but it's time to get a move on. I need more food. Thank you to KUYA ELI'S. Now I'm going to go to this one. I haven't gone here before. It looks like it's mostly where tricycle drivers come and eat. So I'm hoping for some good quality food at good prices. See how we go. Good morning, how are you? I'm just after a Kinalas, regular.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you. I've never had Kinalas before, so I've read about it. I'm just going to read it out to you here. Kinalas is a bicol dish, so that's this area. So this area, bicol, is very famous for Kinalas, and it consists of noodles with meat from pork head, always my favorite, and other parts, surprise. And it's enhanced with a sauce coming from the brains of a pig, my favorite. And the dish is further flavored with hot broth and boiled egg and pepper. So this is calamansi, so it's like a very little lemon, and it's absolutely delicious. You'll find it all over the Philippines. This is amazing. So I assume I'm going to just drip it into the Kinalas. Whoopsie daisy, you meant to put it through a fork so it actually picks up the pips. That looks really good. Then I assume, do I do this? Do I just drop the chilies in? Yeah. We're going to drop the chilies in. How's that looking? Looks good to me. Let's start with the broth first, see what that's like. Let's just give that a bit of a mix. Hello this. Oh, look at that. You can see the noodles there looking good. The chilies. Let's just try the broth. Shaky hand from the caffeine. Very beefy. Virtually no detection of brain. And I'm not talking about me. Okay, we're going to go in with the noodles next. These are already enhanced with the calamansi. Look at that. Yum. Looks good already. Wow. I really like these noodles. They're very different. Actually, you know what? It's actually more spaghetti. This is more like spaghetti. I've been told that Dayangdang is where Kinalas was invented and that these guys here are the pioneers of Kinalas. So basically, I'm eating the best of the best. And at only 45 peso, you can't go wrong. So now I'm going to try the meat, which is pork head, and I'm going to shove in an entire chili. Let's see how I go with that. Okay, here we go. Pain or no pain? That's severely hot. Oh my god. What have I done? I am crazy. That is the most severe chili I've had in ages. There's other people in the restaurant laughing at me for shoving the chili in. They knew what was coming. I didn't. Oh my gosh, that is so hot. I won't be able to taste anything for the rest of the day. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to abort at this point because it's raining, and apparently it's going to rain for the next 6 hours, along with, there you go, thunder, which I can see kind of coming, big storm clouds. So I'm going to have to abort, which is a shame because I really am still hungry. But I will come back, I promise. I'll come back and continue the food tour of this area, Dayangdang. See you tomorrow. Kumusta, KUYA and Ate? Video editor here. I've decided to split my walk around Dayangdang into 2 videos, as it was getting pretty action-packed to fit into just one video. The second video will feature me eating eyeballs for the very first time in my life at street food favourite Mangkok's, and grilled pusit at the upmarket Coconuts. Have you eaten mata nang Baka before? Do you want to know what eyeballs taste like? Watch my second Dayangdang video to find out more. Salamat po!